Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Ferguson, back with another first impression video, and this is from the house of Olfactive Studio, Chambre Noire. I'm going to give you my first take on it and let you know how it smells and if it's worth trying out. It's an oldie but goodie, I heard, so keep it right there. It's coming right up. Before we start this video, I'd like to thank A2. Appreciate it for sending me this review on my channel. He's a subscriber on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos, A2, and everybody else. I appreciate it. This is Fragrance from the house of Olfactive Studio, and this is Chambre Noire. This fragrance here, pretty much I had to look up what Chambre Noire meant, and pretty much it means in English as dark room, which is presentation of the box right here. It has like a pretty much dark room, and you're looking outside the window, which is pretty cool. It's different. I've never seen that many in boxes. Most like boxes just have a name of the company. It's a little small flat box, and you just open it up and you see the juice. Nothing spectacular or nothing like this. This is very different, very eye-catching if you see it. I haven't seen this in retailers at all, in stores. I saw it on the website, and I saw it on eBay, and I saw it at Lucky Sense. Lucky Sense has it. Pretty much I have the price right here. Price for the 50 mil is $115 and 100 mil is $195. The price is going for it. Now, if you want to know more about this, leave a comment below, let me know, or if you want to, I'll leave a link in the description below. Up to you guys, just let me know. I'm going to break down the notes. The notes in this fragrance they have are spicy notes, leather notes, vanilla, musk, pink pepper, plum, sandalwood, amber. There's probably a couple more too. These are the notes that I had did some research to make sure what's all in the notes so far and what I smell and stuff like that. So pretty much I'm going to show you the box presentation. It's the box. The back has Olfactive Studios. Nice box, really nice. Inside has a picture of this outside dark room. Really nice. Can't go wrong with that. Really nice to show the presentation of it. This is how the box comes. Really nice. Really nice. See the juice level. So the inside's really nice, kind of nice fiber, soft. Put this to the side right here. This is the juice it comes in. Really nice. I appreciate A2 for letting me try this out on my channel. I really appreciate that a lot. Really nice. It has Olfactive Studios, Chambre Noire here, Olfactive Studios around the sides. Around the ring here is really nice. Cap's nice, snaps on. It doesn't click into place, it snaps on. You can hold it by the cap, but I wouldn't do it. It seems like it might fall off. I really like the presentation of it. Really nice. The juice is nice. The color with the clear, so you can see how much juice is left in it. Some fragrances don't have the juice level, so you can see it, so it kind of annoys people. I kind of get that. You don't know how much is left in your juice at all. So I'm going to spray it and give you my first impression on it. Atomizers is pretty good too. Shoots out a lot. Get a little bit of the spiciness in it. Get a little bit. I get the leather. Get a lot of the leather in this fragrance here. I get a little bit of the spiciness, like the pepper. In this fragrance here. I never heard of this brand before. I've heard good things about the brand from people on YouTube, and I've seen it on different like Facebook groups. I heard about this fragrance. I didn't know much about it, honestly. And then he sent it to me like, oh, cool. I did some research on it, and it's really nice. People do like it. What I've heard from a lot of people is very close to the skin, where it's like intimate, where like with your significant other, like on a date or maybe in the bedroom in the sheets. I get that. I still do some testing and see if it works and see if my girlfriend likes it, and let people test it out and smell it, especially people at work. A lot of people at my job support me and my channel and let me know if fragrance smells good or it doesn't. So that's pretty good. Excuse me. It's great because some people don't have the feedback, and I have a lot of feedback. A lot of people tell me if they like the fragrance, it's okay, or it just sucks. Tell me right from the bat. They don't care if I like it or if they like it or they don't like it. They'll tell me, hey, look, I don't like it. It sucks. Okay, cool. Thanks for the feedback. Whether they like it or they don't, I might like it, but they don't. But I give you guys feedback. So far, it's okay. I'm not saying it's my favorite. It's an okay fragrance. I guess I have to take a couple more days to try it out and see if I actually enjoy wearing this fragrance. So this is fragrance from the house of Olfactive Studios, Chambre Noire. So far, it's okay. Is it a favorite? Not right now. Do I love it? Nah. Still do some testing on it and see if it even projection, longevity, and compliment factors. We'll see. So thanks for watching my video. If you know about this fragrance here, please leave a comment below letting me know. If you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxes, and free giveaways, well, you tune to the right channel. All I ask you to do, since this video is about to end, click the subscribe button to support my channel and me. I appreciate it. Hit the like button to show you care, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you try this fragrance or like men's fragrances, or what's your favorite fragrance. Thanks for watching my video. Until my next video, ladies and gentlemen, peace.